comfortable. So what brought you here for today?
I have a little bit like minor pains in my back, mostly in the bottom part of my back.
Okay, was there any specific injury or trauma, recent trauma?
No.
Nothing like that?
No, I think I just...
When the pain started?
Like, I feel like I've had it for the past year. I feel like I always kind of have back pains. I don't know why.
Okay. Was it like fluctuated? Some days good, some days bad, something like that?
Yeah, some days it hurts a lot. Or
is there any specific physical activity that aggravate your pains, increasing your pains?
No,
like
I don't
sitting,
think so.
standing, or bending? Or...
Oh, yeah. At work, I stand a lot.
Okay.
For, like,
do you feel more pain when you work?
Yeah, especially when I have, I'm in a position where I just stand in the same place for like hours. And then also I feel like it's maybe the way that I sleep, maybe what I'm sleeping on or something.
You sleep on your stomach or on your side sleeper or?
All over the place. Yeah.
Alright. Do you feel like most likely more pain in the morning when you wake up or like more pain in the night when you sleep?
I feel like both. I feel like when I first wake up and then also when I'm going to go to sleep, especially when I get off work or something like that, which is around like 6.
Alright. Can you stand up here? I'm just gonna check a range of motions, okay? Just look straight and try to bend over, try to touch your toes, okay? Go ahead and touch your toes. How you feel?
That doesn't hurt my back.
Okay, you can come back up and try to bend backwards. See if there's any pain. How you feel?
That hurts my back more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Alright, can you turn right and left side? How you feel?
Hurts just right here. And then this way, yeah, just hurts.
A little bit pain on both sides?
Yeah.
Alright, like can you slide to like side to side? That also hurt your low back or?
This side does not, but this side does.
Okay, good. Alright, you can have a sit. Now, I'm gonna check your spine and I'll get the adjustment. Alright. Maybe I'm gonna check your SI joint here. How you feel this one here?
That feels okay. Like uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt.
A little bit?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see this side here. How you
This
feel?
side hurts a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, it's very even. I'm just gonna press it here. Do you feel more tender here or this side here? Or no tender at all?
But it doesn't hurt too bad.
Not too bad. Alright. What about here?
Yeah, right there.
That hurts, huh?
Yeah.
Your sacrums. Alright, I want you to lift your leg, without bending at the knees.
Okay.
So lift this side first, as much as you can.
Yeah.
Okay, down, and the other side. Down. Okay. This side is kind of hard, lifting. This side go higher. So, alright. Alright. Just relax your back. Good, nice and easy. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out all the air out. All the air out. Sink. Good. Wow. How was that? That was a big crack, yeah?
Good.
Okay, relax there.
Ooh.
Wow. That was big, yeah? Wow. How you feel?
Good.
Good?
I can never crack my back.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna check your ankle as well, okay? Let's see. Alright. Just relax here. Okay, relax here. Okay. Oh, that was a big release there too. Okay, just relax on my hands. Good. Relax your shoulder, relax your neck. Good.
Woo.
Wow. How you feel?
Good. Oh my god.
It's loud too, huh?
I know.
Oh,
Hear me.
Oh wow. Alright. relax here. Good.
Ooh.
You can feel all the stretch, yeah?
Mhm.
Alright, nice stretch.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Take a deep breath in and breathe out.
Ooh.
That's it.
Ooh.
Wow. How you feel?
Ooh.
Did you feel it all the way
Yeah.
down? Yeah?
Dang it.
Did you hear any pops?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I felt right here.
Wow, now you dance. That was a good crack today. You should come more often.
I know, I need to. I didn't realize how often you're
Oh,
supposed to go.
we have to move your joint better so you can move without any restrictions or any pinching nerve stuff.
Yeah.
How you feel today?
I feel good.
Good?
Thank
Well,
you.
that was a good crack.
Yes.